click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon and then click on all for getting all the notifications.
Hello friends, my name is Anushka and today I am going to tell you how to make Mother's Day bouquet, card and also a storage box. These are all the things that we can give to your mother at Mother's Day. These are very easy. Today I am going to tell you how to make all these three things in this video only. First, the bouquet. The bouquet, there are some interesting flowers, various designs, and second, which is a card. That card is absolutely nice, but it's one-sided card, which in front more. And a storage box. In that storage box, you can give 5 small things to your mom secretly, and she can even store it. So we will be making this. So here we are starting with a flower bouquet. First we will be making flowers, and afterwards we will be making the back set of the bouquet. So for the flower we need this. I am taking yellow color sheet, as you can see. It should be broad enough, and here's I made a stalk. Be better if it's thin, as much thin as you can make. Some leaves, here I've taken 3. These all leaves should be very thin and very small, as you can see. If this is my hand, how small it is looking. So like this, it should be very small. And this I've taken one handmade paper. I've cut a little bit. I've cut this much of portion from this. For this will be the end part. We will not be needing this right now. First we will be taking this yellow sheet and we will be folding it in half. In this way. After folding it in half, this is the open area, whereas this is a closed area. So from the side of the closed area, we will need to cut very thin lines like this. And we will not cut till here, we will leave some space. Like these lines we will have to cut. So as you all can see, I made this. Now we will be opening this. Now we will need to make a curve. Over here there should be a curve. So we will be turning it and then folding it in the opposite direction. Like this. Press it a little so that it can set in this position. And then apply Fevicol over here and paste these both. So as you all can see, I have stick this, and here there is a bit gap. We need not just press it. We will keep it like this. We can press it from here if we want, like this. Now we will take a stalk. In the stalk, first we will place it here like this, and then apply. First we will apply Fevicol over here, and this we will keep a little bit tilted, and then we will cover all around this. Wait, I will be showing you. First we will be applying Fevicol. Here we applied Fevicol, and now we will be keeping this and we will be turning it and a bit slanting. Here as you can see, I made this. Now we will be taking our leaves. We will be sticking them. So our flower is made. Now we will be making a bouquet. For bouquet we will take this handmade paper, and now from the bottom part, first we will turning one part like this and second like this. We will be making like a cone in the end. I have stapled this, and now we will be adding the leaves and flowers. And so our bouquet is ready. Next we will be making a card. Now we will be needing a red color A4 size sheet and a printed sheet. Now we will be sticking these both. Printed sheet is a bit smaller than the red sheet. The printed sheet will be the dress of the mother. So you will need to take the design of the printed sheet accordingly. This you will be needing circles for the neck and this for the buttons. we will be adding flowers for the buttons. And now these are the beads, some beads in a thread. This will be the necklace, so we need to add it over here with the help of a sellotape. So our card is ready. Now we will be starting with the storage box. For a storage box, you must be knowing an A4 size sheet. Of that A4 size sheet, I have cut a square. And this is a marble paper. You can also take origami paper. Now first we will be taking the marble paper and do the folds as shown. After these folds, we will be need to make 3 folds. Means first we will be folding it like this and then folding it in this way, so that we will get 3 blocks. Now you will see we got 3 blocks. Same with the other side also. We will be first folding in this way and then again we will folding this in the similar way, like this. Now we have also got 3. Now we will be opening one. We will be folding this again till here, and from the other side also. Like this. And now we will be taking this, folding it up and add this down over here. Similar we will be doing in the other. I will show you like this. First we will taking this, so, and now we will put this inside a box. So this our box is ready. Like this we will need to make 5 total box we want, and here one we have made, and here are 4 more. So these are according to rainbow color. Now we will keep them aside, and now we will be take our yellow sheet, this folded as shown, like this. Now fold it from here. Again fold it from here. Repeat the same on the other side, like this. Again, like this. Now this we will be folding in this. Now this line should touch this point. So in this way from both the sides. One. Now we will be opening this, and this will make a fold again. Like this I have made the fold, and now we will be opening this fold. Like the same thing which we did in our box, we will be taking this up and then adding this inside this, in this way. And same with the other side also. We have made this storage box, and now we need to make like this too. Here's my second one, and now we'll be adding boxes. Like this, and this is our cover. So our storage box is also ready. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for more updates of my video. Thank you.